Hello friends, welcome back to the channel SAP Simplified by Prasad. So in today's video, we are going to learn creation of new unit of measurement and understand how to create and maintain units of measurement in SAP. So the T code which we use is CUNI. So CUNI is a T code used in SAP transaction for creation of unit of measurement. So whenever we create a material in SAP, we use different units like kilogram, meter, liter, boxes, etc. So these units helps us as understand how materials are stored, counted and converted. To configure these units in SAP, we use the transaction code CUNI, and in that we have three different types of we can say as a page, which is dimension, ISO codes and unit of measurement. So first one is dimensions. So what is dimensions? So dimensions defines the category or type of measurement. Examples like length, weight, volume. Example, for example, if the dimension is length, SAP can group units like meter, centimeter, inch for this length, because all these units belong to the same measurement category. So SAP can convert them into each other. So like example, I can say like 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So this conversion becomes possible because both units belong to the same dimensions. Then we'll see what is ISO code. So ISO codes are international standard codes for unit of measurement. So example here is kilogram. Kg is the ISO which is recognized internationally. MTR is meter. So SAP uses mainly ISO code for iDocs, EDI integrations, integration with other non-SAP systems. And if ISO codes are missing, integration may fail or data may not transfer correctly. So maintaining ISO code properly is very important. Then the step 4 is units of measurement. Now let's see the actual units of measurement section. So this is where we create and maintain units like kg, gram, piece, boxes, liter, etc. You can create your own custom unit depending on the business requirement. For example, if a company sells material in cartons, pallets or bundles, those units can also be maintained here. But before creating a new unit, always we need to check whether already the unit exists in SAP or not. So also we need to maintain the proper dimensions and ISO codes for this newly created unit and ensure conversion rules are accurate. So now let's see in the system like how this CUNI will work. So I'll quickly go to SAP system. So this is our easy access screen, like main SAP screen. In the T code, I will enter CUNI. So here, as you can see, we have dimensions, ISO code, unit of measurement. So if I will open dimensions, here you will understand. Like see, for frequency, the SI unit given here is hertz. So frequency is measured in hertz. So that is given here. Force is measured in Newton. So it is N. SI unit is N and unit text is Newton. So same in dimensions we can create this and we can map this all the SI units as you can see over here. So if length, you will see the length is M and it is meter. Then coming to ISO codes. So these are the standard codes which are recognized internationally. So if you see this ISO code 28 is kg square meter, and we can create n number of codes in this way as per the business requirement. So I will quickly go back. Yeah, so here this is the unit of measurement tab where we create the actual unit of measurement. So if I will open this, you can see these are the already created unit of measurement. So if we want to create a new unit of measurement, we'll simply click on this create, or we can just open this existing unit of measurement. We can just copy this. So then the new unit of measure will be copied from the existing one. So for time being, I will click on create. So here we have this commercial name, technical name, unit of measurement text what we need to provide. In that way we can give all the details. Let's say I'm creating bottle, so I'll give BTL, which is bottle, and if my commercial name is also BTL, then I will give BTL, and technically I will call it as bottle. Okay, and unit of measurement text is bottle 1 1 liter. So in this way we can create the unit of measurement set text. Now see, so here this is ISO code which is important for ED or AL transaction. So if I will keep this as blank and click on enter, it will say like EDR problems can occur if no ISO code is defined. So we can give anything or we can keep it blank also, so no issue in that. But for time being I will provide some text in this which is already existing. Let's say I will click on liter. If liter is there or not in this, let me check. Okay, liter is not there. So for time being, let's say I will give this as kilogram 3h. I click on save. Also code 3h is already used for measurement KI. So if it is already used, it will show error. But then what we'll do, we'll create a new dimensions, new ISO code. So let's say I will click on new entry. I'll give ISO code as liter, liter. Okay, ZLT, and I'll click on save. So this is the new dimension, new ISO code I have created for liter ZLT. Now what I will do, I will go to unit of measurement. I will click on create. Here I will give bottle, here I will give bottle, here I will technically bottle, and in this bottle 1 liter. ISO code, what are there? ISO code ZLT. So this was our article, and see now it has not given any error, and you click on save. Then this unit of measurement is configured, like BTL will be visible when we create a new material. So now we will check in live while creating a material if this BTL is visible or not. Okay, material type, let me select as ROH, industry sector as chemical beverage industry. Let me check manufacturing, 1 liter bottle. So this is like external number ranges, so it was asking. I will go to basic data, purchasing data, accounting data, plant. What was my plant in this? Let's say my plant is this 001. Now if you see base unit of measure, if I will see BTL, it will capture BTL because I have already created this unit of measurement. So see, there is no error, and we can use this base unit of measure as BTL. So hope you like this video. In this way we can create the a unit of measurement in SAP with the use of transaction code CUNI. I hope this video helped you understand the basics of CUNI transactions in SAP. So if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, share and subscribe to my channel SAP Simplified by Prasad. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next SAP tutorial videos. Thank you.